welcome to July. Relax and breathe in deeply. Breathe out smoothly. Take your hands in front of your face to cool them. Fan yourself with relaxing breeze. You're on fire, and the breeze of relaxation only fuels you. July is the time to keep moving. Summer is full, so fill yourself with chilled drinks, vacations, and cool sex stuff. You're incredible. Obstacles make you stronger. Any fire lit under your ass leads to a beautiful explosion. Bitch, you're fireworks. You are one with this month. July is hot and sexy, just like you. July is bright and hopeful, just like you. July will probably catch fire pretty soon, just like you, but in a positive and figurative way. Have a romantic fling with July. Imagine you and July on a dock, looking at the night sky, touching each other's privates under a blanket like it's summer camp. It's always summer camp in July. Repeat these affirmations. I am fierce and on fire. I look just like the movies when I get out of the water. Sexy. I am strong enough to smile through a conversation while there is definitely sand in my asshole. So strong. Now open your eyes to this sexy summer world of yours and click subscribe.